In this lesson, I will teach you how to think more deeply and carefully. I will show some other technique to get more relevant result related to a search query. So the first technique is to read the result of our search query carefully and using word definition. We can see that I have searched for a term, and here we are seeing remittance. We can also visit the Wikipedia page to understand what does remittance mean. So what is important here is when you are searching for something and you are seeing an unfamiliar word multiple times, then that word might be relevant for your research query. So in this example, I was searching for the word remittance only. See how to understand the word remittance in better way. So type define remittance in Google Chrome and press enter. You can see these are the definitions of the word remittance, and you can also listen the pronunciation from here. You can also click here and see what is appearing. There is nothing more to show, so click on show less. Now let's see another example. So search define literacy in Google, and you can see this is the definition of the word literacy. Click here to show more. You can see there is nothing to show more, so click on show less. We can also use this term. People also ask by clicking here to understand your research query broadly. We can also use this word to make your research more relevant and more broad. So in this lesson, we have learned three things. We have learned how to use the word definition to search for the definition of a particular word. We have learned how to read more carefully, and finally we have learned not to ignore the repetitive word, especially when you are searching for a word that might be relevant.